Kublai pi baro ni bidang samhai pi shkatup kubor meta ka janmien. Shoban pash ki kubor ke babnya I petwa ki mat kongsan. Beliau Menteri Rang Badu Keriu Narendra Modi ke General Assembly ke Bakandai Po jong ren Poland nang Delhi. Penlong Menteri Rang Bak ke Jela, Padu Menteri ke Tanah Pulih Putih ke Jenet Jurep ke Bakandet ke Pine Mount School hadir ke Jingujor halor ke kompenia. Onlet ke Kinhun jong ke MCCL Shabhabika Commercial Private Limited ke Badan Hak Kolkata Shwabanya Soi Soskolar Banya Trebet Penyak Langya ke company. Sedang ke festival ke Belais ki hanyahu on pen iya ki art likely ki film hakni ke tamasa. Ki kubor ki babnya. Menteri Rang Badu Keri India Narendra Modi meta ke sengulap leper dai ke General Assembly meeting ke Bakandai Po jong ente Poland New Delhi. Ya kini ke jengelang la penlong ha India hadian arpusan snem. Kini ke jengelang bas ausngi jong ke Interpol kelas dang hende ke sengi batkan kut ke arpuai terik mentau benai. Haba ajen keren hakani kesngi Modi ula ong. Baka India ka badai ka nong puli benia ke jeng terekam ki bor pulit hakeleng ke pertai kam shim trei tang na ka benta benia dai ki beriu. Hindai ke trei ru na ka benta ka baha ka miat jong keri. Ulai ro ru ka Interpol da ka boong. Baha kini ki kendai snem bala led. Ke Interpol kala ban pinyas no ka jeng terekam ki bor pulit ha ki shispa kendai pusan teli kiri ke pertai. Wat la ka don ka jeng per ha ka ru kompeniat an.
India is one of the top contributors in sending brave men and women the United Nations peacekeeping operations. Even before our own independence, we made sacrifices to make the world a better place.
Menteri Rang Bak ke Jela Konrad ke Sangma lembat Menteri ke Tanah Pulih Putih ubak lakmen rembui kila penlong ke jenglet jurip pekindet hak skul Pine Mount ke belah peniat dak ke sorkar Jela nin kesngi hadin bagi katu kat ni ginong hikai jong ke ni ke skul ki kimi ki pabat ki kena skul ki belah pas nak ke ni ke skul ki penlong ya ke jengya ki halor ke jeng bembiang ke rukom peniat. Haba ajen keren skila patai kubor Menteri Rang Bak ulong ba ulalet jurip ya ke skul ban yo I ke jing shisha halor ke jing songkia jong ki katu kat ni ki kimi ki pa bat ki kena skul ha ka bay day bat ki katu kat ni ki man. Menteri Rang Bak ula sakhi dala ki jong ki khamat ya ke jing bembiang jong ka jakalet bar ko hostel bat kemadan. Ha ka ni ke jing let jurip ula shimru ya karai ban pen bahano mardor ya ke ni ke skul da ka bakentup ya ka jakalet bar.
After detailed discussion with the Honorable Education Minister and based on his suggestions, we have decided to come and visit here in Pine Mount School. As we are all aware that there were some concerns that have been raised by parents and the past pupils regarding some issues that were there in Pine Mount School. And we have seen that there are concerns regarding amenities like toilets. So we have taken a decision on the spot that whatever repair has to be done to improve the infrastructure in terms of toilets, in terms of other infrastructures which require repairs will be done. At the same time, we've also seen that the hostel facility is not at all up to the mark, and a lot of things are required to be done.
Kinhun jong ki nong trei belalam kemat dau chairman ka mau muluk cara Cement Limited iba wailat Miki Shilla kinlet Shabhavika Commercial Private Limited kebadan ha Kolkata shwaban shim ya karai ban ya soi soskular ban ya trei lang bat penyat ya ka MCCL habakrem bekilat patai kubor menta kesngi iba Shillai laong baka kinhun kan penlong ya ka jengkmi benya halor ki kam jong kani ka company ke bana Kolkata bat ban pet yala la kalong ne em ka bebit bebiang bat penyat ya ka karkhana do bilat ila pentip shushu bakinsa iPad ya ka kai pot sha ka sarkar ha ka ba ka cabinet kan sa shim ya ka rai ka ba khat do halor kan ni ka benta ha ka wei pat kalyang iba shla iba longru UMLA ka seng NPP na jawai ila ong ba ka jawai municipal board ka la shim ya ka rukom trei kam ka ba kham lingkot bat le persha ya ka jing e banlum ya ki jabo hasor ba jawai
already informed, 3 of them participated, and out of the 3, 2 back down, and then only one, this Bhavika Private Limited from Calcutta, who came forward and then present their presentation to the board. And then after that, after giving presentation to the board, and I took him to Chief Minister, and then even Chief Minister find that the presentation is quite practical, it's good, and we can move forward. And then he has asked me that I should go to Calcutta and visit his plant of that Bhavika Private Limited to see whether he is really a cement manufacturer or not.
Ka film division jong ka sarkar India bakatna journalism and mass communication nehu kalapan long kata masa film festival balai sngi ke balas dang naduk mentah ke sngi. Kani kata masa kan kintup ru ikan non competitive documentary ka short and animation film festival ka master classes Mumbai International Film Festival in Meghalaya. Hakani kata masa on pin I kumba art pulai teli ki film jong ka Mumbai International Film Festival for documentary ka short and animation films. Oh nak film ki ban pen I ken long na po India but ken don pangkat tu kat ni tili ki film ki ban bari ka thong jong kan ka film festival ka long ban ai men sia mi ki nong one page but kum jo ru ban penyar ya ka perkhat perdai jong ki samla puli kan hu but dia ki riu it film ha ka jela Meghalaya.
I would just say a few words about the myth.
Ka office jong Divisional Forest Officer Wildlife Division West Giant Hills District ne kasni kalapan ko buram ya ki lai pusan ngot ki brio na keleng ki snong jong ka East but West Giant Hills District na ka benta ka jing pelat im ka jong ki marat klau but la aya ki da ka khusnam Wildlife Samaritan Award ha kasni penkut ya ka jing rakhe ka Wildlife Week 2024 Haraliang Community Hall. Kajing rakhe ka Wildlife Week las dang nado ka khat ar terik Urisau but lak pinkot pat da kajing sam ye ki khusna menta kasngi. U Principal Chief Conservator of Forest Biodiversity and Wildlife but u Chief Wildlife Warden Meghalaya u IFS SM Sahai u balong ru ukong san hakani kasngi u la ai jing kran hakajing lang u la ong baka jing tmu jong ka jing rakhe ka ni ka tayo jong ki marat klau ka long ban pen sa priang jing tip ya ki pajba halor ka jing don kam but penne pen sa ki marat klau but ya baro ki jing don jing em jong ka mariang hadien ka jing lang kala don ru ka jing pelat ya ka kot halor ki marat ki badon ha Giant Hills District dau kong san but ki wei de ki he ki han
conservation
La penlong ya ke Academic Exposure Training and Visit International Youth Exchange Program Arhajar Arpuar ke basan sngi linter ha North Eastern Hill University Shillong da ka Tripura Adventure Social Expedition Organization. Kumshi benta jong kani ke program ki samla na jong baro artli kiri kata kari India bat kari Bangladesh kelawan benishim benta ha kani ke program. Ulam phang jong ka ying dorbar thau an ke jela iba med ba ling do ibla pli perdaya kani ke program ila ong Pakung kini gijat program, kilong ki bedon kambah ha kani kapor, namar ki yarap, ya ubriu ban he, ban san shimet, bat kumjo ban penyedai bat kiwei.
If I'm not mistaken, and Ghana, though they are small in numbers, such kind of exchange programs is the need of the hour. For the youth, a special focus has to be there. For the youth, and this kind of exchange programs will help an individual to grow, and in return, it is his duty bound to share with his friends in his own country, in his own state, in his own community, to ensure that what he has learned, the best from that exchange program.
Mentapat ngene pe ke jung long jaman ke subeng Shillong ke jing shit kalong at pulai point prai degree Celsius ke jing kriat kalong khat san point sau degree Celsius ke jing skam ka hau kalong prap hona ka shi spa min step ban riu pusan na ka shi spa janmiet kala bandon ke jing hap slap hakikat tu kat ni ke jaka sa shi sin pat ngi pen kan mai phi bi mi khu bor jingi phila ru ban pe live YouTube channel jong di dinis Shillong Syaban poi jok bekut jang thup kebor yang pek biang sesi ni kemat bukongsan. Liu Menteri Rang Badu Keri Narendra Modi ke General Assembly ke Bakandai Pau jang ke Interpol henong ba Delhi. Penlong Menteri Rang Bak ke Jela badu Menteri ke Tanat Puli Putih ke Jenglet Jurep ke Bekendet ke Pine Mount School hadir ke Jenglet Jengujor Halal ke Rukong Penyat. Ondet ke Kinhun jong ke MCCL Shabab ke Commercial Private Limited ke Badan Hak Kolkata Shwabanesoi Soskolar Banyetre Penyat langnya ke company. Sedang ke film festival ke Belais ni ha nehu on pen iya ki ar pulai teli ki film ha kini kata masa. Tiap perlok tu lapoi ke bekut jang ke tu ke bor jeng beta ke janmian hadu min syam yang pila syagi singi ku blai pi baro.